Brush with death. Brush with death? Probably you know about brushing your hair or you brush the dirt of your room, but do you know brush with death or brush with law? This expression alludes to the noun brush in the sense of a hostile collision. Usage dating from 1400. What do you mean by the idiom brush with death? A brief encounter with something notable or unpleasant is a brush with death. This is used for situations in which you experience or nearly experience something bad. Otherwise, you can say have an encounter or come in conflict with a situation or something else. If someone comes very close to dying but live, they have a brush with death. Brush with death is an experience in which one almost dies. If you brush with death, you have an experience in which you almost die. I hope now you have understood the meaning for the idiom brush with death. Look at the example. I valued my life a lot more since my brush with death in the road accident. Next, Rekha started valuing her life since she had a brush with death during the earthquake in Gujarat. Third example, brush with law. That means you have a conflict with the law. See the example. This is not the first time that Dinesh has a brush with the law. That means Dinesh has an encounter or come in conflict with law. Hope you have understood the usage of the idiom brush with death. If you feel this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.